Hi, in this video we'll discuss a very important feature of a group discussion in which we understand how to be assertive and not aggressive. Now there's a very fine line between being assertive and being aggressive. Let's first understand the difference between the two. Assertive in a group discussion while speaking means that whenever you have to speak, you speak in a very polite manner, but at the same time you share your opinions in a very firm and persuasive manner. On the other hand, when you are being aggressive, you try and raise the pitch of your voice and force your opinion on other people. Being aggressive also shows a little bit of insecurity on your part, wherein you are trying to force your opinion on the rest of your peers. On the other hand, if you assertively share your opinion with your group members, it shows that not only you are a confident individual, but you can also be a great team member in the future. In the following video, we'll see an example of a group discussion where most of the members in the group are literally shouting at each other and are being very aggressive, something that we must always strive to avoid.
Person to person, if a person can create 24
As we see in this video, the group discussion becomes a bit of a fish market wherein each member is trying to share his or her opinion. You have to remember that in a group discussion, all of you are acting managers who are trying to progress towards solving a common problem or framing a strategy in a corporate sort of an environment. So you must act in a manner which behooves corporate managers. That means you do not have to necessarily dominate with the pitch of your voice, but you have to perhaps dominate by the calm, composure and confidence that you have, and by the strength, the cogency of your argument. We often tend to get carried away when one of the two things happens. One, when the topic is close to our heart and we have a strong opinion on the topic. Or two, when there are a lot of dominating speakers in the group and the discussion, as we saw in the video, becomes a sort of a fish market. In either of the cases, you must remember, however, that being aggressive does not necessarily equate to a good performance in the GD. You can make the same sort of impact in the group discussion, or even a better impact by being assertive, as I said, and by sharing your opinion very politely, but at the same time very firmly. So remember to respect that very fine line between being aggressive and being assertive.